In this problem, we're going to use Descartes' rule of signs to determine the number of positive real zeros and the number of negative real zeros. Let's start with the positive real zeros. So to use Descartes' rule for positive real zeros, we look at f of x, and we count the number of sign changes. So the number of positive real zeros is the number of sign changes, or the number of sign changes minus an even number. In this case, though, look, it's positive, 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 positive. So there's no sign changes. So there are no positive real zeros because there are no sign changes. So there is nothing to do. It makes it really, really easy. Now let's look for the negative real zeros. How many possible negative real zeros can we have? In order to do that, we have to replace x with negative x. So we have f of negative x is equal to, this will become negative x cubed plus 7 times negative x squared plus x, which is negative x actually, and then plus 7. Okay, so this is f of negative x equals. So because it's cubed, we're going to keep the negative. So this will be negative x cubed. Right, whenever it's odd, the negative stays. Whenever it's even, it goes away. This will become plus 7x squared. This one's minus x plus 7. Okay, now we're going to count the sign changes here for this function. So it goes from negative to positive, so I'm going to put a 1 here. That's one sign change. It goes from positive to negative. I'll put a 1 here. That's another sign change. And then it goes from negative to positive, so I'm going to put a 1 here. That's another sign change. So we have 3 sign changes. And again, we're working with f of negative x, so this is all about negative real zeros. This means that we have either 3 negative real zeros or 3 minus an even number, minus a positive even number. So the only positive even number that we can subtract here is 2, because if you subtract 4, you end up at a negative number. So 3 minus 2 equals 1, so negative real 0. So that means we have 3 or 1 negative real 0. So the answer is 3 or 1 negative real zeros. Really cool stuff. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there in the world. Good luck.